Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add library on Figma. First, make sure that you have downloaded Figma app on your laptop, or you can also use Figma app on website. So if you have not downloaded this app, don't worry, you can still use Figma app on any browser. Here I have downloaded this app, so I'm going to open this app on my MacBook. Now to add library, you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. I have already logged into my account. After that, you'll see home page like this. Now click on this new design file option and it will create a new design file like this. And after that, here on the top left corner of this app, you can see this main menu option. Click on it. Now here, click on this libraries option. After that, you can search for your libraries here, and to add library on your account, you can see these different options, and here simply click on this add to file option and this will add this library on your account. After that, to publish this file with your other team members, you will need to have access to the premium version. If you don't have premium account, then on the free version you cannot publish it to your teams. So this is how you can add library on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.